This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are traveling to Washington, D.C. with the Wonderlust Bundle. The Wonderlust Bundle is filled with gorgeous fall favorites. These colors you will absolutely fall in love with. Literally. I am so excited, pun intended. I cannot wait to get into these glorious colors. So this retails for $158 or $79 if you're a VIP. It is a cream formula, and it says, "It's time to say goodbye to summer in a glamorous way. Discover Wanderlust Collection, a new fall palette that will elevate any manicure style this season. Explore our new collection featuring down-to-earth shades, moody tones of greens, browns, and pinks that will guarantee a long-lasting shiny manicure." Oh my gosh, you guys, you don't understand. I have been stalking the mail for this package. There was some international drama, and it was stuck in customs and all of this fun stuff that nobody can control. So I had been waiting for like 3 weeks for this. So I am so excited to bring you all of this magic. So my lovely representative, Miss Carina, sent out this gorgeous velvet mat. Now this is perfect for all of your fall manicures. And in the following Wonderlust video that I'm going to do, I am going to showcase how gorgeous this mat is. So this first up is Pink Liberty. This made my heart swoon. I can't get over how gorgeous. And at first, your heart is telling you like, oh, this is purple. Oh no, baby. Once I put her up against Purple Hero, you guys are going to see the gorgeous pink tones in here. But it is like the perfect marriage between pink and purple. So it's basically Mama Does Nails and Envy. So next up, this is what I was waiting for, September Skies. Oh my gosh, I am a September baby, and I have literally left my hand bare, waiting for this beautiful color, because I knew my birthday manicure would not be complete without this luscious blue. September Skies, you have my heart. Oh my heavens. You can't tell me that's not drop dead gorgeous. Woo! Coming soon to a glam mani near you. Oh, I'm so excited. So next up, and this is what I call Envy, she is my Purple Hero. I think this name is so darling, and this purple is breathtaking. It is absolutely, like, it just has my heart swooning. The moment I looked at it, I actually thought of Ursula. So if you guys are down, there is definitely going to be some Ursula character art with this gorgeous purple. Whew, I'm in love. And last but not least, out of the 4 beautiful polishes I selected is Walk in the Park. And this series is not a walk in the park, or is it? I just mean, it's so much more. This covers all of your bases between your fall needs. I even feel like you're good for a little bit of, if you want to do an end of summer look, like this is just so versatile. You can use this Wonderlust bundle throughout the entire year. And then there's gorgeous colors that both Mama Does Nails and Priya showcased that like just leave you like sweater weather. Just absolutely breathtaking. So I can't wait to get into these swatches. We are going to take our beautiful model here, Josephine, and she is modeling Pink Liberty. Now, when you see this cure, this is 2 thin coats, you instantly know this ain't playing around. Madam Glam ain't playing. These colors are everything. And honestly, for my birthday month, I couldn't have picked better colors. Like, I am losing it. They couldn't have picked better colors. Oh, heavens. Up next, we have Walk in the Park. Now this, I can't get over. I want to mix the September skies and this together for like a dreamy marble, like under the sea fun. This, and I believe another PR gorgeous, my very first that I ever got from Madam Glam was called Wicked Witch. I think Walk in the Park and Wicked Witch would make such a pairing. Now this is my purple hero. I can't get over, this is just everything and more. So I want to show this against Pink Liberty so you can really see how these colors pop. And I truly believe when you are looking at any color, it's like your eyes are instantly drawn to certain, I guess, I don't even know if they're diodes or certain elements to the color that instantly make you feel like, oh, this is more pink or purple. But the moment you put these together, it just like, I don't know, it makes each color shine even more. Next up, September Skies. Now this girl is going on my manicure for my birthday. So please stay tuned. I'm going to do a belated birthday set. Now, do you see the mermaid realness up in here? Priya, please tell me your heart is swooning. Now, these both September Skies and Walk in the Park are gorgeous. And all together, I truly picked Charm Sister colors. That was definitely on purpose. These colors spoke to my heart. This collection is so stunning, and I'm just so excited to be able to review these. Now, they are my favorite cream formula. So the coverage is so pigmented, opaque. It is just absolutely dreamy and perfect for nail art. You guys are gonna, as I said earlier, fall in love with this fall palette. They are not playing around when they made this Wonderlust bundle. Now, the term Wanderlust actually originates from the German word wandern, meaning to hike, and lust, meaning desire, literally translated as enjoyment of hiking. So, hiking all over the world. And Madam Glam teleports and transports you all over the world with their monthly collections. I hope that you have loved this trip to Washington, D.C. These fall colors are so gorgeous, and please make sure you have your notification bells on and you are subscribed so you don't miss any of the future amazing videos we got coming, because I still got my birthday set to do and all sorts of other magic with this Wonderlust bundle. I'm also going to include pictures of the beautiful Mama Does Nails and Priya K Nails. They did, excuse me, I got a frog in my throat. They used these Wanderlust colors to perfection, and I had to include these stunning, stunning works of art. Oh my God, Mama, these are fierce! And Priya, the gold and dreamy nails you did. Honey, I was feeling the spring madness with Mama and the fall wonderland with Priya. This Wonderlust bundle, it's just your creativity. It can go so far. And if you want to get these beautiful colors, head over to madamglam.com, and you can feel free to use any of the discount codes that I left in the description box below. Remember, do all things with love. I pray that you guys have the most beautiful day. I can't wait to see you in the next video. And I apologize for my crazy voice because my allergies have been acting up like crazy. But thank you for bearing through. You guys are everything. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Mwah.